Some cars bring back memories. Some cars bring back the true neighborhood mojo. This 1953 Chevy Sedan instantly took me back to my East San Jose roots. Its culturally appropriate stance, immaculate two-tone paint, spoke wheels wrapped in traditional Whitewalls. This is classic Bomba styling executed to perfection. Low, smooth, and timeless. Today, I'm sharing my captures of a rolling piece of American and Chicano automotive culture. I'm Kevin Allen Mao, and this is K-Mal Classics Quick Shot feature. Come along for the ride. More than 70 years later, this Chevrolet still turns head for the same reason it always has: style, grace, and presence. A reminder that great design never goes out of fashion. Thank you for joining me for a K-Mal Classics feature. If you appreciate classic cars, lowrider culture, and automotive artistry, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next shoot.